What's up, everybody? Jawea Strength, welcome to the channel. We are working on the IS300 project, and it's a doozy. Ended up doing a speaker job, turned into an interior, and you'll see because I wanted to redo some things. But yeah, it's been fun, and enjoy the content. Let's get started.
She's not around. I call my other bitch. Now don't worry about her. I feel like fuck that bitch. Tell him all this stuff.
Alright. So we're continuing interior work here. Front speakers were put in, head unit was put in. We've wired all the speakers directly. There's the there's a kick panel. But yes, car was also previously dynomatted, you guys. That was done before my ownership. We got the kicker 6x9s in the back and Alpine Tye S's in the front. And what's gonna go down here is I wanted to change the console out to the non-nav console because you get two cup holders instead of having to rely on this spot as your secondary where you know, the only place you can put things. And in order to do that, you have to remove the whole center console. So what I'm doing is I pulled off these two bolts. There's two screws here. These basically, there's a cap on this armrest. You got to pop it off. Get your little wedge tool in there, pop it off. Two bolts down there. And then I've already removed this for the shift knob. And for the emergency shift parking brake, sorry, not shift, parking brake boot. You just pull up, there's some clips on each side, and then it also slides up out of there and out of there. So don't be afraid to just slide it up, pull it up on these clips here. She'll come right out. And then this is pretty easy. If I recall, yep, that wasn't too bad. Some people will pry and all that shit, but you don't need to do that because then it's going to mark this up even more. But that's why I'm stoked we're pulling this all the way out, because I'm going to try to clean this up. That's pretty much going to lead to cleaning the dash up. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, another little update here. Got the center console removed. There was two more bolts up here, Phillips head. Two Phillips head here, like I said, and then the end caps, those were 12. Pull up on this. Okay, we covered all that. There was an iPhone 30 pin / iPod cable in here back in literally 2008 or whatever. This was a freaking show car, and that was cool. So they had that wired up, and we'll pull that. One less cable. We've literally got all the cables cleaned up in here. But yeah, let's see what's going on in here. Put homie in charge. He likes to clean, so we're getting after it right here. So I don't really know what method he's going with, but I think he's just starting cleaning it. This material is different than this material. So this is the one that gets all gummed up. So usually you gotta like Brillo it back with some Goo Gone or something, and then let it dry. Obviously clean it, let it dry. This is just general all-purpose cleaner or Windex, whatever he's using, but we'll see how that comes out. There's the rest of the interior. Gonna try to get a run in without putting all the interior in. And then one thing that's super race spec that we did is I got a new dash center console. So this one literally weighs like, I don't know, what would you say this weighs? Like at least 5 to 10 pounds?
Yeah, somewhere in the 8
5 to 10, yeah, 8 pounds just for this, you guys. And we've got one of those in that box. I'll show you that when we pull it out, put everything in. Here's that double center console cup holder we're converting to. It's gonna go over in there. Sheesh, this thing's never looked so good. On the inside. Still gonna detail it and do all that, so. Okay, let's go show you what that looked like before. Because I think I forgot to show you guys. So this is what that looks like, and it's like this sticky stuff. Like it'll literally get on your hands. Every 2002, I think, plus Lexus is known for that. Again, the console's pulled right now. So this material extends down to the console. So we're gonna have to figure out how to redo this. I really don't want to pull the dash. Even though it's not that hard theoretically, but you do have to drop the steering column. I don't know, you guys. But this is what it looks like now. Completely smooth.
Just back down to plastic, raw plastic.
Yeah, we're gonna have to paint it, so we'll show you what's up with that. But it's looking so good, cleaned up. Got some other parts for him to clean here. I know he's gonna do me in on the leather for this. That's gonna be good. Give him a quick update, bud.
So we've got 3 coats applied.
Ooh.
And turned out good. And this is the paint and primer combo, so it's really just ready for, we're gonna let it dry 24 hours right here, and then we're gonna put a coat of clear coat on there.
Yep.
And then we're gonna be hopefully moving into the dash on the car. But we have all these parts right here. We're gonna get cleaned up, get some all-purpose on them.
Oh yeah.
Rub them all down while we have them out. That way we kind of get that. You know, it's gonna be the 2005 smell. And
I kind of
vibe,
forgot all that.
But it's gonna be nice and fresh, clean. You know.
And then you were working on this right here?
Yeah, and then we just took the armrest out, applied, you know, this is not a sponsored ad, but McGuire's conditioner does the job.
Yeah, that thing came out stupid fresh.
We just got through rubbing it in, so we're going to let it sit there.
Let it cure. Let's let that cure.
Yep. And then while we're doing that, we were just talking about to do some of these other parts.
Something I definitely want to show them. We're going to have to get a scale.
A scale? Oh, to weigh things?
So we can, because
to weigh the parts, yeah.
Because I want to show them what we got. We took out this part, right? We removed the center console so we could take this out. I guess that, is that missing something?
No, that's it.
Really?
That's it.
Oh, okay. Well, this one's not as drastic, but still pretty cool. That other cup holder we got. Where's it at? Somewhere over there.
Is this what replaces that?
Yeah.
Really? No, that's not the same size.
Give us a view.
This one's, you know,
Yeah. It's a little lighter. It's a little lighter.
It's definitely,
It's
lighter. Like 50% lighter.
Yes, exactly.
Look at all the buttons. Look at no buttons.
And I think I already spoke on it once, but this thing,
that's
dude,
8 pounds.
I mean,
yeah. Easy on my shelf there, bud.
Yeah, we'll get a scale on that one because that's a
drastic
difference. All right.
Did you tell them about the shift boot?
No. That's coming up. Nobody's seen the shift boot yet, but we've got a new shift boot and a new
and all this right here.
ashtray, whatever piece. Stay tuned.
Yeah, that's not even coming out. Wow.
I think that's all for now, but we'll keep it moving. Okay, guys, stay tuned for the next episode. We're gonna clear coat that paint job that we did and probably move to installing the interior. I don't think I'm gonna pull the dash right now. I'm not sure. You'll have to stay tuned. But yeah, it's been fun so far. Really enjoying making the content. So go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll be posting all kinds of stuff. All right, you guys. Jawea Strength out.